Good morning. I think we're ready. I'm going to call to order this meeting of the Health, Environment, and Community Engagement Committee, the first ever meeting of this committee. It's a new committee that was formed with the reorganization. I'm chair of that committee. My name is Cam Gordon, and I'm joined today by Vice Chair Andrew Johnson and council members Jacob Fry, Elizabeth Glidden, Alondra Cano, and Lisa Bender. And we have only 2 items on our agenda. It'll be a rather brief meeting. They are both on as consent items, and I'm happy to pull either of those off for a discussion if anyone would like. The first item is confirming the mayoral appointment of Russ Henry from the 12th Ward and approve the City Council appointment of Julia Bovino from Ward 3 to the Homegrown Minneapolis Food Council for terms to expire December 31st, 2015. And this will also be acknowledging and confirming Russ Henry as the mayor's designated co-chair of the Food Council. And the second item comes from the Health Department, and that is to authorize a contract with Tubman in the total of $75,000 to provide case management services for youth who are at risk for involvement with violence. This is a interesting grant that will actually fund intensive one-to-one case management service for identified at-risk youth as part of our youth violence prevention plan, and help increase the youth's protective factors and decrease risk factors to keep them safe. Are there any questions on either of those items? I do know that Russ Henry wanted to be here, and he sends his best regards and his gratitude. And I know that Councilmember Johnson even had a text from him. Would you like to make a comment?
Absolutely. I'd just like to say thank you, Mr. Chair, that these 2 choices and these appointments are just incredible candidates, incredible folks that work very hard within the community and have contributed a lot to the local urban agriculture and local food economy. And so I'm very excited to have both of them appointed to these positions, and I think a great first appointment by Mayor Hodges.
Thank you very much. And Councilmember Fry.
I would just like to echo what Councilmember Johnson just said. Both of these appointments are spectacular, and Jill Bovino and Jim Bovino have done an extraordinary amount of great work in the community. And Julia is actually presently down in Mexico learning the impacts of the free trade agreements on Mexican farmers. So this is an issue that's central to her heart that she carries out in all facets of her life, and I think they're perfect appointments.
Well, wonderful. Then with that, I will move both consent items. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
And opposed? Abstentions? Those motions both carry. This is a short meeting for us, but I know that we're going to have a lot more work ahead of us. I'm very excited about this committee and also about all the council members who are on it. I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic. We'll be having the Health Department and all their great work, the new expanded Health Department reporting in here, as well as the Sustainability Office. We'll be covering energy issues and also community engagement and animal care and control. And so I know there's going to be a lot of work ahead of us. And with that, seeing no further comments, this meeting is adjourned.